This is reversible 2-in-1 belt from Gucci. Here you go. Welcome to my channel. I'm Ashna from Norway, and this channel is about everything I like. So on my last vacation, I managed to get this Gucci belt, which I'm going to open with you. Well, it's actually already been open, but you can see this one here. This comes in the classic red Gucci box, as you can see here. And once we open it, we have this white Gucci dust bag and some other stuff that you can see, the ribbons and other things that is at the bottom. This white protective dust bag can be very handy to store your belt and gives a very luxurious feeling at the same time. Now it's time to take out the belt here. Wow, just look at this. This belt features Gucci's iconic buckle in GG with polished finish. And the thing that makes it different from other Gucci belts, it's reversible. That means you actually have two belts. I will show it to you shortly. But first, let's take a moment to appreciate this classic Gucci Ophidia print that we have on one side of the belt. And then it is actually possible to twist this buckle, as you can see, and then we have this belt in black color here. A versatile classic. This reversible Gucci belt is a proof that luxury and practicality can actually go hand in hand. This one here is definitely an investment piece if you are looking to buy a luxury belt. Thank you so much for watching this one, and if you want to see more such products, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.